Most men think attraction is about what you say, the right words, the right timing, the right moves. But what if I told you that some of the most powerful moments of attraction happen when you are not speaking at all, when there are no lines, no clever phrases, just silence and a simple, almost invisible moment of touch? Because here is the truth. There are certain types of physical touch that women feel very deeply, but almost never explain. Not because they do not want to, but because these moments are emotional, gentle, natural, and when you understand them, something changes. She does not just see you differently, she feels you differently. Stay with me because by the end of this, you are going to understand something that most men go their whole lives without ever realizing. Brain section 1, the big misunderstanding. Let's start with what most men get wrong. They think touch is about being bold, about making a move, about doing something obvious. But in reality, that is exactly what breaks attraction. Because when touch feels forced, it creates pressure, and pressure kills connection. You see, for a woman, touch is not just physical, it is emotional communication. Every time you make contact, she is not just feeling your hand. She is reading you, your confidence, your intention, your emotional state. Are you calm or are you trying too hard? Are you present or are you acting? Because the moment it feels like you are trying to get something, her guard goes up. But when it feels natural, easy, and unforced, that is when something powerful happens. She relaxes, and when she relaxes, she becomes open. High voltage section 2, what she actually feels. Here is something most men never think about. A woman does not remember how many times you touched her. She remembers how it felt. Did it feel calm? Did it feel safe? Did it feel confident without pressure? Because attraction lives in a very specific space. It is not extreme. It is balanced. Safe, but slightly exciting. Comfortable, but a little uncertain. And that small mix of emotions creates curiosity. And curiosity is the beginning of attraction. This is why two men can do the exact same thing, but get completely different reactions. One feels awkward, the other feels magnetic. The difference? Energy, presence, control. Fire section 3, the first touch that changes everything. Let's talk about the first type of touch that most men completely ignore, the light guiding touch. Imagine you are walking together. Maybe you are entering a place, crossing a street, or moving through a crowd. You place your hand lightly on her arm just for a moment, and then you let go. That is it. Simple. But mentally, this does something powerful. It shows direction, not control, not dominance, just calm, steady leadership. And here is what makes it attractive. You are not asking for permission, but you are also not forcing anything. You are simply leading the moment, and when done naturally, she feels it instantly, not in her mind, but in her emotions. Fire section 4, the hug that creates tension. Now let's talk about something almost every man does, but very few understand. The hug. Most men treat it like something normal. Quick, neutral, forgettable. They go in, tap, and pull away. But here is what changes everything, the timing. When you hold just 1 second longer and then slowly let go, you create something rare. A moment of tension, not awkward tension, emotional tension. It is that small pause where neither of you rushes, where the moment stays just long enough to be felt. And that feeling, that is what stays with her. That is what she thinks about later. Fire section 5, the most misunderstood touch. Now, this one needs awareness because when done wrong, it feels uncomfortable, but when done right, it is very powerful. A brief, natural touch on her lower back. This is not about control. It is not about being bold. It is about presence, being aware of space, guiding her naturally through a place. And the key here is simplicity. No pressure, no staying too long, just a moment, because that moment shares something deeper. I am aware. I am present. I have this handled. And that feeling of calm awareness creates comfort. And comfort, when mixed with slight tension, creates attraction. Fire. Section 6, the silent connection. Now let's go even deeper because the next one is almost invisible. Hand contact. That moment when your hands touch, maybe while passing something, maybe while walking. And most men react the same way. They pull away instantly, almost like they are unsure. But when you do not rush, when you allow just one extra second of connection, something changes. It creates awareness, a moment where both of you feel it, no words, no explanation, just presence. And in that silence, attraction grows. High voltage section 7. The most powerful part, almost NO1 does this. Now, here is the part that separates average men from the ones women remember. It is not the touch itself. It is what happens after. The pause, the stillness, the choice not to rush away. Because most men break the moment too quickly. They get nervous. They move on. They fill the silence. But when you stay calm, present, and allow the moment to exist, you create emotional tension. And that tension is what makes the moment real. It is what makes it memorable. Brain section 8. Why this works. Deep psychology. Now let's break this down so you truly understand it. The human brain is made to notice contrast. Fast versus slow, close versus distance, presence versus absence. When everything is rushed, nothing stands out. But when something slows down even a little, the brain pays attention. It becomes aware. And awareness creates emotion. That is why calm, controlled touch feels different. It is not common. It is not predictable. And because of that, it creates curiosity. Warning section 9. What destroys attraction? Now listen carefully because this is where most men fail. They overdo it. They try too hard. They turn something natural into something forced. And the moment it feels forced, it loses all power. So avoid this. Do not rush. Do not force moments. Do not repeat the same touch again and again. Because attraction is not built through repetition. It is built through timing, through awareness, through presence. Fire, final shift. Become the experience. Here is the truth. Attraction is not about techniques. It is about how you show up. Because when you are calm, when you are steady, when you are not trying to prove anything, even the smallest actions feel different, stronger, more meaningful, and that is what creates impact. Not what you do, but how it feels when you do it. Rocket, you are high engagement. So the next time you are with her, do not focus on doing more. Focus on being present. Because in the end, it is not the touch she remembers, it is the feeling you created in that moment. If you understand this, comment presence below. And if you want to master this level of attraction, make sure you subscribe because once you learn this, you stop chasing connection and start creating